What's up, guys? Today we're going to be heading down to Carson to meet up with a guy that specializes in custom fab work. We've been talking for a couple of weeks now, and we wanted to do something for the STI. Now, I'm not completely sure what it is I want to do to the STI just yet, but we're going to come up with a game plan today. There's also a lot of things that he specializes in besides custom fab work that I also want to get done to the STI. So we're going to head down to his shop and talk a little more about it once we get there. I almost forgot, I actually need to take the VF48 with me because we might be working around that to try and come up with something for the STI. There we go. We are good to go. I'll see you guys when we get to his shop. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna make it or not. My gas light came on and I'm still like 15 minutes out. Time to coaster all the way down. Yes, we made it. Not gonna lie, guys, I was starting to get a little worried there. I didn't think we were gonna make it. That was a close call, but we made it. Now that we got gas, let's head over to the shop. If you guys are wondering why I didn't just fill up back home, it's because down here the gas is about $1 cheaper. So I can fill up my tank with like 45 bucks here, and back home I can fill it with like 65. Much better. I think this is it right here.
On, man, good to meet you. Ben, nice to meet you. Right on.
This is it. Damn, this is a nice spot.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah, we can, let's pop the hood and then we can check it out.
Double business.
Okay.
So I own both the businesses that are in this building. This is also mine.
What is this?
So we do a small engine repair.
Okay.
So this is strictly like your lawnmowers, weed whackers, generators, tractors, pretty much any landscaping services.
You do all the fab work over there?
So that's all in this area.
Okay.
And then that is all fab. I should have my lift hopefully in a week.
That's sick, dude.
So as soon as the lift is in, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Jacob Withrow, Lost Boys. Him and I combined, he's got a Nissan 240 with an LS in it. So we're gonna build a full exhaust. I built all the cross members and transmission mount for it. I did the old setup with the KA, all the charge piping and everything in it. So are you still okay? Have you ever done or looked into doing air struts so you don't have this anymore? You open the hood and it just...
Yeah, I have thought of it, actually.
Okay, yeah, I do all that stuff, man. I mean, I purchased the strut itself, but as far as the bracket goes, I can build the brackets, you know, to retain where they clip on.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Looking at this in my setup, we could do a front mount. What else could we do?
You could go with, we could do beauty plates, like on Sabas's car, as far as, you know, he's got covers as
like
titanium.
The shrouds?
Yeah, I can build any kind of shroud, dimple die.
You said custom exhaust as well.
If I could do a full exhaust system, to your choice, basically. That could be stainless, titanium, and that goes with anything in the engine bay. Like I said, as far as like what I could consider like an engine dress up, you know, where you got like a really nice aluminum anodized hardware. Then you just build your beauty panels or whatever, you know. For instance, cover right here on the front of your alternator. We could build one out of titanium. I can heat it, and that gives you your fancy color. You could do it out of stainless. There's many different options and routes you can go as far as what color you want to do, and it's your car. I'm just the guy behind it, if that makes sense. So, you know, I just put the pieces together, but it's your creation.
Okay.
So.
Just like that?
To that finish.
Okay.
I mean, obviously this is dirty, but to that finish is as far as you can.
So then when you heat this, it turns that bluish color.
Yes. I wonder if I have, I'm trying to think if I've got. stainless.
So Ben's gonna weld on this piece of stainless steel right here, just so he could show me what color comes out of it. So that's the color it turns when you heat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Look at that, guys.
That's the colors you're gonna get out of when you TIG weld it. Now, just like titanium, when you heat it, not while welding, grab it. Lighter, more spread, gives you more of a bronze finish on the outside. The more heat you put to it, it'll turn out just like titanium.
Oh yeah, I see it now. So it turns blue the longer you heat it, and then bronze when you just barely.
So yeah, you can get, you could get a, I'd say a light blue, a little darker blue, then it gets out to a purple or goldish, all depending. And then, like I said, through your weld, you get every single color because your heat is running with your filler. So we bend up some beauty plates and heat them. That's your result without going titanium and spending, astronomical amounts of money, because titanium is not cheap. So stainless is the second alternative, and it doesn't rust.
So I'm gonna throw a couple of pictures on the screen of the welds that Ben does. They're insane. They look so sick. And this is just, would this be considered a weld? Just this right there?
Yes, there's rod added to that. So technically, yes, I'm not joining any metals, but I was running a bead with a TIG welding machine, so that is considered a weld.
Bam. Oh, let it focus. So that's just a little bit of what Ben does right there. That's sick, dude.
Thank you.
Super nice welds.
On a large scale, so things on like your car and stuff like that are obviously, you keep a weld 1/4 inch tall, super tight, super small.
Yeah, I don't know anything about welding.
And that is dirty, mild carbon steel, so stainless and things like that turn out, really clean. All the colors are really bright, so it's about the only difference to it.
A huge shout out to Ben. The guy is super cool. We're gonna be doing something together for the STI, and I don't know if I should tell you guys just yet. I think I'll just go ahead and tell you. We're gonna start really small and just work with, like what he said, engine dress up. So we'll do these right here that go to the radiator. We'll do the alternator cover, and then we're gonna be getting rid of this thing right here and putting some actual struts with nice colored plates on the hood. Once we get all that done, I think I'm convinced, guys, and he convinced me as well. You guys have been asking for it for such a long time, and that is a front mount intercooler. I wanna do something really, really cool as far as coloring goes with the front mount. So we're gonna get that done hopefully this winter. We're gonna be getting rid of the top mount, going front mount. And also I was talking to him about possibly getting my manifold painted. I won't tell you guys the color just yet, but it is gonna be super sick. Like I said, this winter, I really wanna catch up on maintenance and just getting the whole engine looking a little better than it looks right now. I'm gonna be in touch with Ben very soon. We're gonna start on that engine dress up stuff. Just little things. I kind of want to start small and then move our way up. Nonetheless though, I'm really excited to get this stuff done. I can't wait to have the engine bay looking the way I want it to look. Right now it just looks super dirty and like there's things broken that I just want to get fixed, and Ben is gonna help me do that. So really thankful for him, such a cool guy, and I can't wait to show you guys the work that this guy does.